Hi guys, welcome back to Style with Substance and welcome to today's video, which is an extremely long overdue Zara haul. I am a huge fan of the brand and love the style of clothing, particularly as far as office wear and basics. For me, it's just a very clean, simple, professional, but also quite high fashion style of clothing, which I am very much a lover of. So I did some shopping online. And I also got some bits in store that I want to share with you. Let's get into this try on haul / unboxing video. So I'm going to start with two pieces, one that I got in store and one that I got online in a previous order. First one that I got in store is this. It's actually a belt bag, but I've made it into a purse. So it actually came with a strap that goes through the inside of this, and then it has space for a strap to go through the inside there. So there was a thinner strap there and a really thick one there. So you can wear it as a belt bag, and if you come over to my Instagram, what you'll see is me styling it as a belt bag, but I've mostly been using it as a purse just because I needed something nice and big to be able to fit all my stuff in. So I'll link that down below if it is available online. And then the other thing which I saw on Instagram was these sunnies. And I ordered them online at the recommendation of Melissa from Mel's Wardrobe. They are basically dupes for the Celine, I think they're called the shadow sunglasses. So they just look like this. And I'm going to be including these in a designer dupes video that I'm looking to film. Oh, they make everything look yellow. I probably wear these with my hair up, and if not, just like on the top of my head like that. But they are fantastic dupes. You know, you can kind of see that they are very much quite similar to the real thing. I believe Melissa actually has the Celine sunglasses in question, so, you know, better to take her word for it, as she, you know, she owns the real thing. I think these were like £17.99 and this was like £20, £19.99. So yeah, those are two things that I picked up prior to this order, which I did solely online, and a lot of it is from the new collection, which I'm loving. And then there's a lot of like staple stuff that I just wanted to try out. There's some like brown sellotape which I've taken off for ease. Everything is packaged like so. Nice silver button there, and then all the clothes come like nicely folded. So let's get into what's inside. So the first item I'll take out is just a classic basic that you always need. It's kind of like a cotton long sleeve top. It's cream, it's got these gorgeous gold buttons, V-neck neckline, long sleeves, and it's ribbed as well. So I'll hold it up there, you can probably see. I picked this up in a size small and it was £15.99, but just another basic for styling with my office wear. So love, love, love this. And these are the kind of things that would work really well in like a capsule wardrobe. So like if I had a pair of like grey houndstooth trousers, I would wear it with a top like that. The next item is this really cute Mickey Mouse top, part of the Disney collection. Love the Disney print. It's Mickey Mouse, my fave. And it's just upside down Mickey on the back. This was £15.99 and I got it in a size small. I would rock this with my blue denim ripped Zara jeans. It's like a light wash denim, so I would rock this with like this top, maybe stick a belt through it and then maybe pop some heels on for like a casual daytime barbecue party thing. So loving that. Then a lot of these purchases are Instagram inspired. So I follow this girl called Charlotte Emily Sanders on Instagram. Love her style. I think it's very similar to mine in terms of what we like as far as the cut or the aesthetic. It is this off the shoulder shirt. Now I just love that it's very like office friendly, but at the same time, you know, you can do a bit of fashion with it. And it's got some nice like ruching along the middle part there. It's just really casual, relaxed vibe. There are so many ways you could rock this and I just love it for that. I got it in a size small and it was £29.99. I can already think of so many places that I would wear this. So a great, great buy. If you want to see these items start up full length, definitely come over to my Instagram. If I like something, I'll get it in another colour. So it's the same cardigan but in the black, again with the gold buttons. Size small, £15.99. Just looks like that. Definitely something I can see myself getting a lot of wear out of. Particularly with this next item, which is some grey wash denim. It's got this really cool sort of fraying on the bottom and like a almost like a tie-dye effect down there, but it's skinny, it's high waist, and I always do high waist because big bum problems. I got it in a size 38, which is a UK size 10, and they were $29.99. I really hope they fit, but they seem quite stretchy, so hopefully I'll be able to get into those, okay? And then I got a pair of their high-waisted skinny flare jeans, which you won't be able to see properly here, but they are in a lead black colour. Got a nice flare at the bottom, and these would work actually quite nicely with that off-the-shoulder shirt. Also got these in a UK size 10, so $29.99, as I think were the other pair of jeans. So all their like denim is really affordable, I feel like. These are my favourite jeans to wear. I have worn a lot of jeans from a lot of retailers, and Zara jeans are always the ones that are most comfortable and most flattering on my body shape anyway. Then we are on to shoes. So the first pair I want to talk you through is these. These are like, right, boss bitch mules. The mules are like all the rage right now, and I just had to get stuck into some. So gorgeous pointed toe mules with a mesh detail at the front. Just put my hand in to show you what they look like. I just love how these are going to look on brown skin. So I got those in a size 39, which is a UK size 6, and they were $29.99. But they would go really nicely with that outfit with the acid wash denim. But these would also go with that outfit with the acid wash jeans. And it kind of embraces the whole animal print trend, but in a way that I think is just a bit more doable for me. And they also are dupes of the Gianvito Rossi Perspex heels, but hopefully as comfortable. So it's these snake print stilettos. So it's got that Perspex in like a dark, it's like a see-through black colour, and it has holes in so your foot can breathe. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. These were slightly more pricey, $39.99. Kind of also on the animal print vibe, I got these sandals. Now, how gorgeous are these? Now, I wanted some like smaller sandals that would be good for like holidays and stuff, and I think these would be perfect. I really want to go to Dubai this year as well, and so I'm thinking these with like a really simple like white shirt, maybe some light wash denim, small little handbag, and these fantastic. They are from the Zara Basic collection, again in this kind of snake print material, and they were $29.99. I think the pair I'm talking about comes in a box in here. They come packaged like so, because I think they are a bit nicer and they were a bit pricier as well. I got them in a size 6 or USA size 8 apparently. Sorry, I should probably say USA sizes because a lot of you guys are US based. And they stunning! Oh my goodness. Okay, so I've been needing to replace my Strappy Stiletto sandals for ages, and when I saw these I said, hello, hello, hello. My goodness, these shoes are sexy. Whoa, like I literally can't go over this. Strappy black stiletto heels. They've got like a patent detail on the heel. Pointed toe, hello. Straps go all the way up like that. These would just make the foot look stunning, like ridiculously gorgeous. I cannot wait to get these in my wardrobe, honestly. Like I cannot wait to get them on. I cannot wait to find an excuse to wear them, to be honest. So very, very excited about these. And to top it off, $39.95, and so I think if I were to pick between these and the snake print, it's going to be these. Welcome to my wardrobe, girls. So in this box, this is all the stuff I'm really excited about. So the first one, which it looks a lot more cropped than it did on the website, that's all, is this off-the-shoulder gorgeous mustard top, which has this lovely ruching in the middle here. Love the neckline. It's quite woven fabric, but it's mustard, but it has like a goldy tinge to it. It looks more mustard on screen, but here it looks quite golden, which I think on brown skin is always a vibe. I got it in a size small and it was $25.99. Other high street stores like H&M and stuff, the pricing is creeping up quite a bit. Then I got this top, which is this black crop with like huge statement shoulders or sleeves, if you want to call them. These I think are in, and I've seen these feature quite a bit in a lot of online retailers brands. I think Lorna Lux on Instagram, she's an influencer. She has her own clothing line with in the style and she features a lot of shoulders like this, so clearly a huge trend at the moment. This was $29.99. I got it in a size small, and it's just, yeah, it's just black, it's cropped, you know, it's just there. I would potentially pair that with, again, kind of loving the acid wash, this denim skirt. So I got this in a size medium. It was $29.99, but I just love the detail up here on the waist, the buttons. So it's like an 80s style mini skirt. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the Zara haul. I know that these are very popular here on YouTube at the moment, but they are, you know, something that I've been doing for a little while now, so definitely wanted to kind of revert back to an old fave. Links will be in the description box below. Subscribe for more hauls, more Zara hauls, more high street hauls, as well as come and follow me over on Instagram to see me rock these with some epic looks. I've really been playing with my content recently and the feedback has been amazing, so if you're not on Instagram, probably now's the time to get on it. Otherwise I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.